Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct the fourth part of the toy plane. So let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Go to assembly. We are going to generate the fourth part, the lower wing. Okay, so go to part 4, take 2D sketch and select here the exact plane. Rotate the view. Here take the rectangle command, take 2 points, enter rectangle. From the center point, make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension. Define this as 240, enter, and define this as 60. Okay, now take the line command and make one line here. Similarly, make one line here. Go to dimension. Here define this angle as 70.5. Now define this angle, same 70.5. Now here escape, select this line, make it construction, select this line, make it construction, and select this line, make it construction. Okay, go to line command and make a joining line here. Okay, now here finish sketch, take extrude. I'll rotate, take symmetric extrude, and the distance will be 10 mm and press enter. Okay, go to fillet, take a fillet radius of 15. Go to edge selection, select this corner, select this corner, select this and select this. Apply. Now here we'll click on all round fillet, select this face, select here, rotate, select here. Okay, so this will make all round fillet. And this is of 10 mm, so this fillet radius will become 5. Okay, now here select this face or select the bottom face, go to create sketch, rotate, take here rectangle command, take 2 points, enter rectangle. From this center point, make the rectangle, go to dimension. Here take this width as 46, define this as 40. Okay, now here take circle command, make one circle here of dia 6. Okay, and one circle here of dia 6. Go to dimension. From center point, the distance will be of 12 mm, and this also from center point 12 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select this, select this, select this and select this. Finish sketch. Take extrude, select this profile, flip the direction to cut, and take this depth here 4 mm. Press OK. Okay. Select this, turn on the visibility. Now go to extrude, select this profile, click on cut, and this time the dimension will be of 10 mm. Go to home, you can see the cutouts and press OK. Okay, select sketch 2, turn off the visibility. Now here, as this is a bottom wing, select this. You can see we have made this cutout and the bottom cutout. Now we are going to make this mounting circles. Go to part 4, select this face, go to create sketch. Here take rectangle command, 2 points, enter rectangle, click on construction geometry. Select the center point, make the rectangle. Now we'll turn off the construction geometry. Take circle command, make circles on the edges. Okay, on all corners we are making circles. Go to dimension, define the width of 140 and the vertical dimension of 16 mm. Define the circle dia as 4. Go to equal constraint, select this circle, press Ctrl, select this, and select this. Finish sketch, take extrude, select all the profiles, click on cut, and take a depth of 8 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here this is complete. We have taken here also a light red color. Go to part 4. Define this as light red. Okay. So this will be the part. Now save it. Save it as part 4 as lower wing. Save. Okay. So this will be the final part. So this was the fourth part of the toy plane. For further parts, keep watching. Thank you.